Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just here to pop in for a quick little update. I think the last time I gave you guys one, we were waiting on the third quote for the banister. Came in today. Before I get to that, I also got a call from Home Depot, pretty much saying that all the materials for the flooring has arrived. And so he was asking when we wanted it to be delivered. And I'm like, as close to installation as possible. I'm like, I don't know if they're like just trying to get out of their store or whatnot, but with it happening the second week of March and still having a few weeks between, I'm like, I don't just want a bunch of stuff just hanging around here. And plus, I don't know if where the installers want it. Because if they put it in here and then they have to move it in order to tear up the floor, and then I'm like, so maybe the garage makes the most sense. So I think that's what I landed on. So we scheduled that to happen the Friday before the Monday of the installation. So they're going to deliver everything here. So really excited about that. I mean, just hearing these updates is making me realize we're getting closer and closer to where we want to be. But as far as the banister, so at first I didn't even know if the guy was really going to submit the quote because he told us he would have it to us like Monday. So Tuesday I followed up with him and he said, oh, I'll have it to you tomorrow, which he did. And his quote came in. Okay, let's review first. First quote was a little over 11,000. I won't even say a little over 11,000. The second quote was right under 10,000. And now the third quote was around $5,800. And do you guys know what my knee-jerk response was? Why is he so cheap? Like, what's wrong with it? Like, does he really understand what we're trying to do here? Like, I'm automatically picking apart what could be wrong with this quote just because it's so much lower. Because it's almost like when you have two quotes that are so similar, it seems like, oh, that must be the range of what this type of project is. And I have no way of determining how one contractor decides the value of something, whether it's labor or maybe they're getting their parts from somewhere else. I don't know. I can't pick out what the differentiation is. Okay, let me just use a regular word. The difference is between how they price it versus the other one. And so it's kind of like, I kind of want to move forward. The last guy, he seemed very reputable. I think what I'm going to do is look at some of their work like online, see if I get some reviews and some other things. He did show me on his phone something that he had done. Honestly, I wasn't that impressed with it just because it wasn't the same thing that we wanted. It was like, oh, great, if that's what they wanted. But it didn't kind of give me the vision or the confidence that he could definitely do what we wanted. So I sent him a picture again just to say, this is what we want. Are you okay with that? So he's like, sure, sounds good, looks great. Let me know when you want to move forward. So we're gonna talk about those three quotes and decide what we're gonna do. But I think just with the level of money we're putting out with this kind of unexpected, really unplanned for home renovation, I'm leaning towards the more frugal side of things just to be safe. I do feel like if he starts the process and it's not looking like what we would like, maybe we can make any adjustments, but we still would save literally almost $3,000 to $4,000 by using this third estimate. So, well, I just wanted to share that little bit of an update. I'll keep you posted on what we decide and when the work gets going. Still looking to sell a few things on Facebook Marketplace just to clear out more before the flooring comes. So that's still an active work in progress. But yeah, that's where we're up to for now. Thanks for watching, guys. I promise I'm going to work on some other content besides these home updates, but life has just been, I wouldn't even say busy, but full. And so we'll figure out how we want to share the rest of life with you coming up very soon. But thanks for following this journey, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.